Hello all my dear students and welcome once again to your maths online class. So dear students, in my last lecture, in my last video, I have explained you the tricky questions of chapter number 1. I hope you have gone through that video and you must have solved all your doubts related to chapter number 1. But today, before starting the next topic, I want to clear this question again, which is related to chapter number 1. Only fill in the blanks which were given in exercise first A. This I am explaining you again with a simple trick. Okay, so pay attention on these fill in the blanks firstly related to chapter number 1. See, before starting, I want to bring in your notice, you know that in tens, 10 comes, in 100, 20 comes, in 1000, 30 comes, and in 10,000, 40 comes, right? Now see, now these fill in the blanks will be very simple for you. See, first is 6,000. So I have mentioned this 6,000 in a place value chart. Now, it is asked in 6,000 how many hundreds are there, and you know in hundreds how many zero comes? 2 zeros. So I have circled these 2 zeros. So we will not write these 2 zero because it is already included in this 100. 100 means 2 zeros only. So if we will not write these 2 zeros, so what is remaining? The remaining is 60, right? So this 60 will come in this blank. Okay. Similarly, see B part, it's 1000 is equals to dash tens, and as I told you, tens means 10. So here I have put a circle on 10. So we will not write this 0 because it is included in this tens. So what is remaining? 100. See, this 100 is remaining. So this 100 will come here in this blank. Now move on to the C part. 1 lakh is equals to dash 1000. So 1 lakh. Firstly, I have written 1 lakh. Now, you know 1000. So 1000 means how many zeros? 1000 means 3 zeros. So I have circled these 3 zeros. These 3 zero we will not write because it is included in this 1000. So what is remaining? 100. So this 100 will come in this blank. Fine. Now D part. 30 lakh is equals to dash 10,000. Now in 10,000 how many zeros will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros will come. So from here 10,000 we will take 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is till 1000, and here I have not written the 10,000 place. So in 10,000 you will count this 0 also. So you will be counting till here because it is till 10,000. Okay. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So I have circled these 5 zeros. So these 5 zeros are counted in this 10,000. Got it? So what is remaining? 30. So this 30 will come in this blank space. Fine. So this was the simple way to solve these fill in the blanks. Now today I am explaining you exercise 2A. As all the exercises of first chapter I have explained in my previous video. If you want to see, you can go through my previous video. Here, see students, in question number first, there is only addition. So you have to simply write these numbers in column, add it, and then write the answer in words. Okay, you can find the solution in the answer key which I have given on website on 18th May. Okay, so you can check it from there. Simply you have to arrange the values in the column like this, add it, and then final answer you have to write in words, in number names. Got it? So first question, I don't think you need any explanation in first question because it is very simple. The explanation which is needed is in second question. Here you have to write down the missing values, missing digits. So how to find the missing digit? This you have to pay attention. See students, here this one is missing, okay, and the answer is 0. So what number should we add in 7 to get answer as 0? See, whatever number you will be adding in 7, you cannot get 0 in the answer. So the next number after 0 comes with 0 is 10. Okay, we want 0 at the last. 0 cannot come. So other number in which 0 comes after 0 is 10 only. So here this 1 we will put in carryover. So this 1 will go there and 0 will come here. That is already there, 0 is already there. So now we have to find that number in which we will add 7 to get the result as 10. Okay. So what will be the number in which we will add 7 to get 10? Yes, it will be 3. So in blank space will come digit 3. Okay students, see. So this is filled. Now move on to the tens place. It is 5, 1 carryover and 4 is here in the answer. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So what should we add in 6 to get the answer as 4? So obviously 4 cannot come. So the next number after 4 in which we want 4 in ones place. So it will be, after 4 it will be 14 only. Okay, because we want 4 in the ones place. So what number will come? 14. So in this 14, 1 will carry over and 4 will come down here. So 5 plus 1, 6 is already there. Now what should we add in 6 to get 14? Yes, we will add 8. Okay. So 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. So in second blank space will come 8. Similarly 1 carry over. Now 8 is given and 1 is in the answer. So 8 is here and 1 carry over. So 8 plus 1, 9. Now we want 1 here in the answer, 1. So what should we add in 9, 8 plus 1, 9 to get 1? We cannot get 1. So what will be the next number? It will be 11. Okay. So 1 will carry over. 1 is already here. Now what should we add in 9 to get 11? So it will be 2. So 2 will come here. Now next 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Here this value is missing. So 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over, 0 down. Here answer is already given 8. So 7 plus 1, already 8 is coming. So we will not write any number here in blank space. So it will be 0 only. Getting it, students? It's not that much difficult. Only you have to be careful while solving it. So first one I have explained you like this. Second one I am solving in front of you so that you can understand it easily. See, the second is 3, 4, 1, 4, 5. Then this is blank, 8, blank, blank, 6. Then in answer, blank, 2, 7, blank, 6. Okay. So this is the next one. See, we will start from the ones place. So see, in the ones place, 5 and 6, it is addition only. So 5 and 6 is equals to 11. So 1 will be carry over and 1 will come down here. Now we want the number here. So 4 plus 1, 5, and we want 2 here. So what should I add in 5 to get answer as 2? See, whatever number you will add in 5, you cannot get the answer as 2. आपका answer 2 नहीं आ सकता. So the next number after 2 in which there will be 2 only in ones place. So after 2, the next number will be 12 only. Getting my point? See, if it is 2, so the next number after 2 will be 12, in which we can get 2 at the ones place. After this, the next number can be 22. After this, the next number can be 32. Okay. After this, it can be 42. But we are going on the next step, so we will take 12 only. So this 12 can be written as 2 is already written here. 1 we will write here. So 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. And we want, what we want? We want 2 here. So what should we add in 5 to get 12? Yes, tell me. It will be, yes, it will be number 7. So here it will come 7 like this, blank space. Now see, to the hundreds place, 1 plus 1, 2 is there, and we want 7 here. So we can easily get 7 here by adding 5 to 2, because 2 is already here. 2 plus 5 can give us 7. So here we will write 5. Okay. Now the next, these two are given, we have to find this one. So simply add it. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1 carry over and 2 will come down here. Okay. Now 3 plus 1, 4. Now what should we add in 4 to get answer as 6? Yes, we will write here 2 because 4 plus 2 is 6. See, you can check your answer. 1, 2, 2 here, then 1 carry over, 5, 7 and 1. So like this you can solve the missing values. Okay students, see, that was the B part. Now C part. It is 237562 and here missing 295 blank blank 92 blank 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 and 6. Now 2 and we want 9 here. So what should we add in 2 to get 9? 2 में आप क्या add करेंगे कि आपका आंसर 9 आ जाए? Yes, we will add 7 here. So 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. Now here it is 6, here blank and here 2. So what should we add in 6 to get 2? 2 cannot come. So the next number after 2 will be 12. 1 carry over, 2 down. So 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. So in blank space will come 6 and 1 carry over, 2 down. Now 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 carry over, 1 down here in blank space. Here again these two numbers are given and we have to write down this. So 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17. So 1 carry over and 7 down. Here 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 down. Here we want 6. So what should we add in 2 to get 6? Yes, we will be adding here 4. Okay. See now the D part. In D part, it is we want 7 here in the answer. So what should we add in 9 to get 7? Yes, we will write here 8, digit 8 because 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. We cannot get 7, but the next number after 7 in which 7 will come in one's place will be 17. So 1 I have written borrow here, carry over there and 7 down. So 9 plus 8, 17. Here we want the answer. So 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 carry over and 0 down. Here we want 2 in the answer. So 6 is already there, plus 1, 7. So what should I add in 7 to get answer as 2? 2 means 12 because 7 plus whatever number you can add, you will not get 2 here in the answer. So we will be adding here digit 5. So 6 plus 1, 7 and 7 plus 5, 12. So 1 carry over and 2 down. Here we want answer. So simply you have to add it. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 carry over and 0 down. Here we want the center value. So we have answer 5. So 3 plus 1, 4. So what should we add in 4 to get answer as 5? Yes, we will be adding simply 1. So 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Here 8 plus 1, 9. And what should we add in 6 to get answer as 8? So here we will be writing digit 2. Okay students? These fill in the blanks I have already discussed. Again I am telling you 2 numbers are here and 2 numbers should be here. So which number is missing? Which is this side but not that side? 7280 is both the side. 56420 is missing. So 56420 will come here. Then in B part, 23185, 23185 is both the side. So which value is missing? 513692. So 513692 will come here. Now what should we add in 24,615 to get the answer again as 24,615? So it will be 0 only. Here you can see 3 numbers are this side and 2 numbers are that side. We want 3 number both the sides. So which number is missing? 90,999. So 90,999 will come here in this blank. Fine students. Now question number 4 is the word problems. So see, what are the word problems? A book sold 56,248 copies in the first year and the sales doubled in the second year. How many copies of the books were sold in the first 2 years? First year these many copies were sold. Then in the second year the sales is doubled. Doubled means multiply by 2. Okay. If the 2 books are sold in first year, then in the next year 2 into 2, 4 books must be sold. So we have to tell the total number of books sold in first 2 years. See what we will do. Number of copies of books sold in first year. See, in first year these many books were sold. Then sales doubles in the second year. Second year में जो sales थी वो double हो गई first year की. So the number of copies of books sold in second year will be this multiplied by 2. So 56,248 multiplied by 2. So when you will do multiplication, you will get 1,12,496. So that's what I have written here. Now, number of copies of books sold in first 2 years. Now we will find the total number of books sold. So in the first year, these many books were sold, 56248, and in the second year, it's double. That means 1,12,496 books were sold. Now we will be adding these two numbers. See, I have done in the working the addition. Now, after adding, you will get the answer 1,68,744. Addition you can do yourself because now you know how to add two numbers. Now, after getting the result, the final answer will be, firstly you will write therefore, then 1,68,744 from the question, copies of the books were sold in the first 2 years. Okay, students? Now, see question number second. The question number second is, a town has 2,29,813 men, 2,02,615 women and 1,72,908 children. What is the population of the town? We have to tell the total population of the town. See, number of men this much, number of women this much and number of children this much. For finding the total population, we have to add these three numbers. So I have written like this, 2,29,813 plus 2,02,615 and 1,72,908. Here I have mentioned all three numbers in the column and then I have added it, and after addition I have got the result 6,05,336. So that's what I have mentioned here. Therefore, the population of the town is 6,05,336. Okay. See now, C part. A two-wheeler manufacturer sold these bikes in January, these bikes in February and these bikes in March. How many bikes in all did the company sell in the 3-month period? Okay. So here the number of bikes sold in January were 1,24,665. Number of bikes sold in February 1,90,895. Number of bikes sold in March, so 2,05,726. So total bikes sold. In this we will be adding these three numbers which are here. So I have done working in the working column separately. Here after adding the three numbers I have got the result as 5,21,286 and this answer I have mentioned here. Then in final statement, therefore from the question, therefore the company sold, in place of sale will come sold, 5,21,286 bikes in the 3-month period. Fine, students. Now the last question is, Amit bought a house for rupee 6,30,694. He spent 1,45,000 to get the terrace of the house covered. Okay. Then 65,750 to get the house painted. He also bought a new car for 3,75,000. So how much money did he spend in all? See, now the cost of the house was 6,30,694. Then amount spent on the terrace of the house. Okay, he covered the terrace of the house. So how much money he spent there? 1,45,000. Then amount spent to get the house painted. Then he has done painting, means coloring in his house, and it took 65,750 rupees. Then he purchased one car and the cost of the car was 3,75,000. So how much money did he spend in all? So for that total amount spent by him, we will be adding all the four figures. So here you can see in the working column, I have done the addition, and after adding, I have got the result 12,16,446. 4, which I have mentioned here. Therefore, he spent rupee 12,16,444 in all. So this was the total expenditure of Amit. Okay students, so this was all about all the solution of exercise 2.1. Go through the complete video and clear your doubt related to this exercise, and just wait for my next video in which I will explain you exercise 2b. Okay students, so that's all for today. Meet you all in the next online class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you students.